Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Nightingale. A moral story: the grass is always greener on the other side. The king was a bird lover. He collected many birds in cages and treated them well. He gave them the best food and also spent time with them. But the nightingale was never happy. She always dreamed of flying in the open sky and singing to her heart's content. One day, while the servants were serving dinner, the door of the nightingale's cage was left open. She decided to fly out the window and be free forever. She flew straight to the shady tree outside and thought, "This is wonderful. I am free now." But soon, it became dark and the nightingale did not like sleeping in the open. Then a thunderstorm broke out. The nightingale felt cold and began to shiver. She regretted flying out of the cage and said, "The king really took care of me. I should have never left the cage."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.